In this video, I will teach you that how we can view one specific layer when we are working with multiple layers. As you can see in my Canva, I have 4 layers. So if I want to see only this layer and if I want to hide all other layers, so instead of this like one by one, instead of this you can just press and hold Alt key and just click on that eye icon and you can see all other layers will hide. And again, if you want to show, then press and hold Alt key and again press on eye, all layers will visible again. So if you want to stay work with one layer and all other layers, if you want to hide, just press and hold Alt key and click on the eye icon. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel.